TRX pendulum. For this exercise, you're going to set up with the TRX foot anchors just about 6 inches off the ground so that your toes aren't going to be touching the ground as you swing side to side. When you have the feet securely in, you're going to come down onto your forearms in this one. Straighten out your legs, keep the body nice and tall like you're in a plank position, and then just getting a little bit of momentum through the feet here, going side to side as we keep that chest, shoulders square to the ground in plank position. You're going to feel this a little bit more through your obliques. You want to make sure that you avoid the hips sinking down and dropping or the hips coming up too high. And then when you're done, gracefully put the knees down. Hopefully you have a mat or a soft surface underneath the knees. And then just let the TRX float off your feet.